In this video, I will guide you through the process of adding text in CapCut, a powerful video editing app. Adding text can help convey information, highlight important points, or add a creative touch to your videos. To begin, open your project in CapCut. Then click on Text at the top left. Next, select Add Text from the options on the left. If prompted, sign in to access presets. Now choose a category from the left panel such as Basic. Select a basic text style and drag it into your timeline. Adjust the timing and length by clicking and dragging the endpoints. With the text selected in your timeline, customize it by choosing the text content, font, size, style, color, spacing, position, size, and stroke. You can also use a template if you prefer. Now at the end in the animation section, choose the transition effects for how the text appears and disappears. Preview the text by clicking and dragging it to the position where you want it to appear in your video.